Pinoy Bex.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Ang problem natin ngayon ay mula sa EE Board of June 1990. So, ginamit din na sa EE Board April 1993 at sa Chemical Engineering Board exam noong May 1994. The problem states that in how many ways can 4 boys and 4 girls be seated alternately in a row of 8 seats. So, ang keyword natin ngayon ay we have 4 boys, 4 girls, seated alternately, and mayroon tayong 8 upuan. So, let's give value for the variable n. Let's assign value of variable n, so which is equivalent to the total number of ways. So, n1 is the number of 4 boys can be arranged. N2 is the number of girls, number of 4 girls can be arranged. And M is the sequence or order. Pwede kasing mauna yung boys o kaya yung girl dun sa seats na yon. Hanapin muna natin yung N1. So, para sa N1, so number of ways or arrangement ng ating boys, so equivalent to, since 4, so we have 4 factorial. So, equivalent to, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, equivalent to 24. So, for N2, again, so 4 din sila. So, 4 factorial. So, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equivalent to 24. Now, anyway, pwede mo naman siyang i-solve using your calculator. So, just input 4 factorial. So, ang lalabas lang din naman dyan is equivalent to 24. For M, ito yung sequence. So, ang involved natin dito ay boys ka girls. So, dalawa. So, pwede siyang 2 factorial. So, equivalent to 2 times 1. So, equivalent to 2. And for the total number of n, so, the n total, so equivalent to the number of ways ng boys, equivalent to 4 factorial times the number of ways ng girl, so times yung order or sequence, 2. So, equivalent to, we have 24 times 24 times 2. So, a total of 1,152 ways. So, ito yung ating sagot for this problem. So, finalize lang natin. There are 1,152 ways or arrangement. Okay, that's all for today. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Pinoy Bex, so that masubaybayan niyo yung aking mga susunod ng videos regarding problem solving and mathematics. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. Again, thank you.
Pinoy Bex.